guys, we are here today at New England Photo Collective with the one and only Heidi Hope. We're gonna put together something sweet for the holidays for you. Heidi, give them a little more info on what we've been up to these past couple weeks.
So we recently collaborated on a fun holiday backdrop project. This is something that you can do at home, especially if you're looking for something creative to do with the kids over Thanksgiving weekend. So the first thing we did was create a digital backdrop using basic kitchen materials. Then we photographed our kids pretending to make snow angels. And finally, we put the two photos together using a simple app called Photoshop Mix. And we're gonna show you how you can do this at home today.
What you'll need for this project: 1. Digital backdrop. You can make your own or purchase the one that we made together on HeidiHopeBackdrops.com. 2. Your camera or your cell phone camera. 3. Kids. Our digital backdrop fits 1 to 3 kids, or you can make your own version for more kids. 4. Photoshop Mix app. First things first, we need our subjects. Penelope and Oliver are here to help Heidi Hope in explaining how we're going to get the perfect holiday card picture for you.
All right, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first consideration that you want to make is the background. So the digital background that we're going to be putting them into has a dark background. So the easiest way to photograph them is on a dark background. So our wood floors here in the studio are dark, so we're just going to use that. If you have a black blanket or a sheet or a roll of paper or whatever, anything that's dark that you can put underneath them, the darker the better. I would even say, like, if you went into your garage and you have a concrete floor, that would even work pretty well for this too.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. The next thing that you want to consider is the light source. So our backdrop is lit from the left, our digital backdrop. So we want to make sure that we also light our children, our subjects, from the left. So you want to set up so that whatever the light source is, whether it's a big window or a sliding glass door, or if you're in your garage, you want the garage door opening to be to the left of who you're photographing, okay? So that's how we're set up here. And then we're just gonna have them lay down on the ground and do a pose that would be fitting for the digital backdrop. So we want them to look like they're making snow angels in the flower. So I'm gonna have them actually do that snow angel. And I'm gonna be taking these photos from directly above. That's called a bird's eye composition. So I'm gonna jump up on something tall. I'm really short, so I need to be up on a stool. And again, you can either use your digital camera or you can use your cell phone. I'm gonna do both today. If you're using your cell phone, you can put it into wide angle mode, if it has the wide angle mode, because that would actually help you. Then you don't have to get up as high. So you can be a little bit, the wide angle mode will help you take the whole scene in from that.
Sounds good, let's do it.
All right. Okay, so you can smile, and then move your legs up like pretend you're making a snow angel. Good, keep doing it a couple of times. Once you have your photographs of your kids saved to your camera roll, you're going to go to the App Store and download the app called Photoshop Mix, Adobe Photoshop Mix. If you don't make your own digital backdrop for this fun project, you can go to HeidiHopeBackdrops.com and you can purchase the one that we made together. It's actually a bundle of 8 different backgrounds to choose from. So when you go to the website, just put in Gingerbread Kids, that's the name of the background, or you can go to the bundles section and you'll see it right there.
Once you've downloaded the Photoshop Mix mobile app on your phone, you're going to create a new project and open all of your images that you'd like to use. So we have 3 images here, the digital backdrop and 1 photo of each of my 2 kids. The app is super user-friendly and you're able to auto-select your kids out of the dark background to add them into the digital background. If you need more help, check out Heidi Hope on YouTube for more detailed tutorials. Ta-da! I feel like a pro after this project. If you create some magic using our digital backdrop, we'd love to see it. Tag us on Instagram to show us your adorable kiddos.